one. Welcome to Time Zone UP Town Center.
Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here and we are back again for another vlog. Dito tayo ngayon sa Time Zone, bagong branch nila here sa UP Town Center. As usual, ating Time Zone tradition, pag nasa grand opening tayo, gagawa tayo ng vlog tour. So we are going to tour inside. Ito vlog, ang dami ng tao ngayon dahil nagpa-games kasi kanina eh. Well, before I tour, pakita ko muna sa yung biro yung nangyari kanina. So watch this video. Okay, video vlog check. We're logging in here sa Time Zone in UP Town Center. Classmates, hello!
Hi, classmates!
And I can see some amazing
Acting
people
classes
here
na
with
tayo.
their School Women's, if I'm not mistaken, season 85, correct? Rookie of the year. Of course, you. Yeah, Sha. All right. So you've been teammates for how long na ba sa UE?
It's our first year.
First year. Now, hello. Hello. What is your name? Mia.
Ito yung video natin ha. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ra, 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 ra. Tayo magbanding na. Ra, 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 ra. Tayo magsasaya. Ra, 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 ra. Time Zone na! Woo! Magbanding na! Ra, 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 ra! Tayo ay magsaya! Ra, 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 ra! Tayo ay Time Zone na! Woo!
Basketball! Ang laki-laki! Basketball!
Oy, oy! Oy, oy, oy! Pamisa, pamisa!
Team Squad! Let's give it up. Second place goes to Team Blue. Has won.
Karina, kuha mo ako! Karina, kuha mo ako! Kuha mo ako, Karina!
Karina Ramos. Emphasizes the fun and time zone. Plus, meron pa rin of course, Chupa Chups.
I'll make this very short. It's very warm out here. But thank you so much, everybody, for coming down here on a Friday night. Thanks for sharing your time with us. This particular Time Zone store is one of our 5 biggest outlets in the Philippines.
Congratulate Time Zone, and we are very excited for this bigger, nicer, and more exciting.
Alright, napanood nyo na and let's tour around sa Time Zone here sa new branch nila dito sa UP Town Center in Katipunan, Quezon City. Alright, let's do this. Pasok ka tayo ngayon. Alright guys, and we are here sa Time Zone, UP Town Center. At merong cute na aso doon. Kala ko bata. At it's their grand opening and let's go inside. Actually, maraming nangyari. It's still kanilang iconic na screen na pang welcome. At marami itong mga GMA Sparkle. Tsaka yung P-Pop na Cloud 7. Ayan. Nandito sila. And this is inside the Time Zone here in UP Town Center. Let's check it out, yo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga games na meron sila. And this one is the Monopoly. Meron pa rin itong Waka Win. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito. Unahin natin itong corner na to. Ito yung may bowling area nila. Para nakapasok ka tayo sa side na to. They have here the air hockey. Ayan, yung mga naglalaro ng air hockey. Ayan. There's the Hockey League, yung mga prizes na ganyan. Ayan. At another UFO catcher machine. Ayan. At dito yung, they have the Midnight Maximum Tune GR arcade. And this one is the billiard area. Ang laki ng billiard sila. Sabi nila parang third biggest time zone branch in the Philippines. So dito yung mga video okay, dito yung mga video okay. Doon ako nag-video okay kanina sa side na yun. So saya, malamig dito, grabe. At going to the other side of the time zone, this is the bowling alley. Grabe, daming tao. Nakakatawa yung ano nila, oh. Yung bowling ball niya, parang billiard. Ayan. Let's walk here. And there's the sa mga varsity players ng I think basketball andun. Excuse me. Ito si Nicole and Ted Claudio. Ayan, nasa bar. Enjoying some Pepsi. Ito pala yung Pepsi ko, ano? Thank you kay Nicole. Ay, okay na ako. Sama kay Nicole, ginamit yung kanyang time zone points to get a soft drinks. Ayan. Let's tayo. Okay, let's start. Tuloy natin yung tour natin. And ito tong arcade. Ito Ultra Moto VR. Check it out, yo. By the way, forgot, meron akong prize na na stuffed toy sa game namin. Kaya parang consolation prize. Pero kaya nakuha ko lang kay Karina. At ka-teammate namin si Maui Taylor kanina. Lasting doon. Halo game, kaso under repair yung Halo. Okay lang. And this one is parang parang Plants vs. Zombies, so Ice Walker. Ayan. Pero yung mga bata, oh. Galing. Okay, move on. Meron dito Hungry Hippos. Parang may game, parang may board game na ganito, no? Paramihan ng makain ng ano kaya ito, no? Laki nito, grabe, Hungry Hippo. And let's go inside here, their tower of tickets, meron dyan. And malaking ginugupit na stuffed toy, ayan. Marami nagpapapicture ng mga celebrities dito. I think from GMA, I think so. Ito yung mga nalaro namin ni Asha, yung bola-bola. Slam a winner. Ang laki na itong isang to. Monster drop. Grabe, ang laki. Matindi. And they have 2 machines na monster drop. At saka yung kanilang roleta, ang mga tickets and prizes. And ito yung basketball. And then this is hyper pitch, parang baseball. And this one is the basketball. Ito pang 3-point shooter na to, grabe, oh. Mga varsity players tayo, mga batak sa basketball. And galing, oh. Another basketball hoop here. Price yan is mga tickets. Rainbow spinner. Ang bata. Genie Jewel. Another, milk jug toss. Isip mo rin sa may milk po. 1,000 points. One is a zombie bowling. Cute naman. Ice Ball FX. Yan. Ito yung parang ruleta ng sa TV show na game. The price is right. Ayun. At we have here an A. Slam a winner na naman. Ito yung mga pang-ano ng mga cards nyo. Top power card to get your tickets. Na-transfer mo yung tickets sa inyong power card. More UFO catcher. Yun, no? Huli. Wow, ang swerte naman niya. Ay, nahulo. Grabe. And this is the inside. Ang laki pa, grabe. Sa kalahati na tayo. This one's Joyful Ball. Ayan. Solar System. Pero pa namang games ito, parang yung mga plastic coins. Here is another mga favorite ng mga tao to. Sa mga UA4 Catcher games. And you have the Tornado game. Ayan, Tornado. Redeem machine. And let's go inside their redemption center, no? Redemption center. Ayan, you can get your power card here. Maraming masalit ito mga ticket counter. Ayan. It's a walkthrough, may soft drinks. At saka may kumuha ng drinks kanina. Mga appliances, no, for home. Pwede yung mapalit yung mga tickets nyo dyan. Uy, ganda nito. Ganda naman itong transformer sa Broticus. Tindi. And this is the walkthrough sa kanilang store. Let's go here. Huwag na kayo tutuloy sa store na to, no? Kasi mamadali na ako mag-vlog eh. And let's go back here. They have here the Cool Boy. Another parang UA4 Capture game. Parang itlog, golden egg. Games for kids. Ito pinaka-paborito ko dito, Sailor's Quest VR. Paborito ko yan, grabe. Dodgeball, tindi ito. Dodgeball, mga klase ito More tickets. Uy, grabe, meron sila dito, ano, they call it the spin zone. Pero maliit pa rin yung space eh, no? Pero for that player, so kailangan paikot-ikot ka. Kaya bangga-banggaan sila, Ang lawak, grabe. This one is the Underwater World. Ayan, Underwater World. Mga games sa pambata, medyo nakakapasa. Makita man ito, parang fire truck siya, meron totoong tubig. And also the Walking Dead. Meron sila CR dito kaso nga lang sinarado nila yung CR. Yung CR kaso sarado. Ay, bukas na, pwede na. Pwede na, mag-CR ako dyan mamaya, bago malas. Also, they have the party venue para pag-organize ng inyong birthdays. Ayan. Dati dyan kami kumakain, pero sa labas na kami kumakain kasi hindi kami kakasya. More Cruising Blast. Para siyang Outrun, no? Pero medyo modern na. Tindi dito. Quick drop. Galing. Ay, pero pa rin sila rito ka na VR ride. Hindi. Alam ang horror to. Tapos na. Oh, yada. Laro na. Oy, pero silang Minecraft Dungeon. One of my favorite games. Grabe, grabe. Ang laki ng time zone dito sa UP Town Center. Pero isa dito nga, Splash Fun. Kulit. Lagi yung mga water games. So, ito yung nakakatawa dito, yung Derby Champion. Pag sumakay niya ka dyan, tatalbog ka kasi nakasakay ka sa kabayo. And there's a lot more of UFO Catcher games dito. Ayan. More games. At para dito ganda nito, no? Nerf Arcade. Galing naman. Boy, kinuha yung SpongeBob, hindi nakuha yung SpongeBob. Oh, bigat. Grabe. At si Vincent Hauson, namumuro na. Nakompleto mo na yung Marvel mo. Oh my God!
9, yes!
Grabe ka! Ano ka na? Infinity War ka na! Ayok to, dami kinarir, Galing, galing, galing. Sabay ka ba shuttle? Sabay ka ba shuttle, Makati? 8 o'clock daw. Lapit na. Willy Wonka. So I guess that's it for our tour for today. At wala na tayo mapifeature dito at nalaikot na natin yung buong time zone. Natin yung cards natin. This one is 500 pesos. This one is 3,000 pesos. Yung isang card ko ay is 430 pesos. Okay. And that's it, guys, for our vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys here at Time Zone, the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Time Zone Philippines, for the never-ending support at invite kung kailan kayong magkakaroon ng branch, na bagong branch. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung next so abangan ninyo nila sa mga post ko sa aking Facebook page. Alright, kita-kits sa Time Zone at let's have more fun here in Time Zone.